how to get Google search bar back on iPhone. If you've been using the Google search bar on your iPhone but it's suddenly gone missing, don't worry, I'm here to show you how to get it back in just a few easy steps. Whether it's in Safari or your home screen, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, let's check if the Google search for disappeared has been disappeared from Safari. If you're used to seeing it at the top of your Safari browser, like here, and it has been disabled, you'll see usually a search bar where you can type in Google searches. If that's missing, simply go to your settings app, scroll down and simply tap on Safari. Now scroll down and simply find search section. Make sure search engine is set to Google. If it's set to something else like Yahoo or Bing, you won't see the Google search bar at the top of your screen. Here, as you can see, now simply switch it to Google and now you should have the Google search bar at the top of the Safari. Now if you want to add Google search bar directly on your home screen, you can add a Google search shortcut. It's super easy. Simply open Safari again and go to google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage, tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll down and select add to homepage or home screen like this, and this will create a shortcut right on your home screen and it will take you to your straight into Google with the search bar ready to go. Simply tap at the top and voila, you got a Google search bar on your home screen like this. Alternatively, if you want a dedicated Google search bar, you can use the Google app itself like this. And if you don't have installed yet, just head over to the App Store and search for Google and download it, and you'll have a full Google search bar at the top of the app. That's a great way to have easy access to the Google search bar, and it also comes with some extra features like voice search and personalized recommendations. And that's it, you've now got the Google search bar back on your iPhone.